Hey cuties, welcome back. Today I have two new pieces from Shapellx. Now if you've been here before, you know I'm a huge Shapellx fan. So thank you Shapellx for sponsoring today's video. Shapellx is a women's shapewear brand that offers a variety of flattering silhouettes for any occasion. With sustainable materials and high quality fabrics, they carefully curate each product to provide a solution for every outfit in every closet. Their brand gives women of all backgrounds, shapes, and sizes the freedom to express their unique style and reveal their true self to the world. Today we're looking at the Power Conceal 2.0 V-neck bodysuit and the Neo Sweat Core Control waist trainer. This one features flexible boning to prevent roll-up and to fix your posture. It also has back support to relieve back pain, and all of us over 40 know that we definitely need that. It has an invisible zipper for a more pronounced tummy control effect, extra firm support, inclined design that cinches your waist for an hourglass shape, and is adjustable to fit your size with 3 rows of hook and eye closures. It's both versatile and multifunction. Great for belly fat, postpartum, back pain, and weight loss. And even though it's high compression, it's still super breathable. And on top of it all, it can be used for working out, worn as a stylish outer layer, or discreetly under clothing. This will quickly become your daily go-to trainer. And the comfort is unparalleled for everyday use. The Power Conceal 2.0 V-neck bodysuit. When I tell you this is the truth, there ain't a lie in it. It's designed to enhance your natural shape and smooth everything out. And it's made of breathable and lightweight lycra to guarantee comfort. It also has high cut leg openings and a thong back to eliminate any panty lines. And the way this stitching is designed, you will still get support for your breasts. When I tell you this material is so soft and gives you a flawless silhouette, you better run and get this one. Make sure you click the link in the bio and use my code Montero66 to get additional coins off your purchase. Trust me, these won't disappoint. Until next time, bye.